Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I was laughing because I forgot I forgot what day it was before I filmed the video. Yeah, I need some sleep. Guys, happy Friday. Oh dear me. I was like, should I post the video or should I carry on? No, let's carry on. Yes, things like this happen. Oh god, I'm so embarrassed. Guys, happy Friday. And it's what I wanted to say in the beginning of the video. Oh dear me. Guys, Friday, yeah, and now I lost my thread of thoughts. What we're doing today, Friday, so it's a freebie. You guys gonna get a really nice, oh dear me. I think I need to, well, I'm gonna carry on. You're gonna get a free printable. Get yourself together, Antonio. So you're gonna get a nice freebie. You see, I lost, right? Friday freebie. I hold my phone with two hands. Get some nice free printable for you guys to save on your computer and to download it and print it as and when. Keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today, Friday freebies, 2 pages. I've been very generous again this week. We're giving you 2 pages, but before we do that, just a reminder, we use a kit called Shabby Romance in the beginning of the week, and I'll show you how to make these 2 pockets origami envelope. So it's basically a normal envelope, but it gets 2 pockets, so one there and one on the back. So we made these projects together on a Monday, and it's quite addictive because I made tons of these little envelopes, because there could be like money wallet, you can put your greetings card or little tea bags as well. You can like a little homemade gift. You can do all sorts with these sort of envelopes. So before we crack on with the freebie, let me show you the kit first. I want to showcase one of my newest kits. Is called Shabby Romance, and it's a suite, so it's a huge kit which is made of small different kits. And the reason why it's a suite, because it's a suite, because you got tags, you got all different types of paper, and I'm gonna show you now. So you get it's called shabby because it's very shabby chic. Now I must admit, I'm not a fan of shabby chic, but I appreciate the aesthetic of it. I really like the romantic side of it, but it's not really something I will pick. But I know you guys how much you love shabby chic, and you know, I make a kit for you. So in this kit, there's a lot of floral, there is a lot of ephemera, there's a lot of like different tags on the background, there's a bit of nature. So rather than further ado, let's crack on. Love these. So you've got like old pictures, a measuring tape. I love these. This is a collage of a wallpaper. I found this is like a pink wallpaper, photos, tags, little ticket. Again, really nice. I don't really know. I'm not a horticultural person, so I don't really know what flower is that, but you get the gist. You know, it wouldn't be a kit without my birds. I love birds. Then there is another one here with, again, some postcards, little newspaper, some flowers on the top, again more ephemera on the back. So there's a lot of details, a lot of layers, there's a lot of things to look at. There is some fence, some butterflies. So yeah, I'll put it all together for you. Love these. And I don't know what color you see on the screen, but this is a really nice mint gray cream color. This kit is predominantly pink and gray and a touch of olive green. That's the color palette. I love that. There's a bit of lace in there. It just literally, guys, layers and layers and layers. That's probably the most shabby page. There you go, bicycles, some shabby writing, a heart, some more ephemera with some tickets, a stamp, some film strips. Then you get tags. Look at that. Doo-doo-doo. Butterfly. It's a huge kit. Honestly, you will play with this forever. Some more tags. And then what I did, guys, I put it, so some of this background, I put it together into a page, so you can use this as a background for your cards, or you can cut this and do your vintage card, or can be like notebook or little pocket, so you can do anything that you want. So yeah, it's all mounted together. Nice, very nice. I'm pretty pleased with that. And one more. Look at that. That's part of my opulent ephemera kit, so I put them in there because I think it goes really well with the floral. Okay, so it's huge kit, huge kit. Also, guys, don't forget, I have a sale on my website because this month we are going to say goodbye to some kits that be on my website for quite a while, because I'm working on the newest kit. They will be releasing at the beginning of June, so I'm gonna have a sale until the end of the month, and the kits that are going to be on sale, they're going to disappear. Okay, so if you want them, buy them now when they're on sale, because I will remove them from my website at the 1st of June. Okay, so what I've done, some pages I printed back, front and back. Okay, because the envelopes that we're gonna make today, I want them to have not being white. Okay, so pick whatever the pages and print them back to front. And I forgot to say, all my kit, I put them into a PDF. And the reason why I do that, guys, because when you have a PDF, you don't I mean, this kit is huge. You don't have to print all the pages. You can just select the page, when you print, select to print. You just select the page that you want to print, and you just print that page. Okay, so don't think of these kits like you got to print all the pages into once. And that is the beauty of digital papers, because you just print what you need. Well, when you go to buy already printed papers, you are stuck with, I don't know, a 12 by 12 or a 6 by 6. And you got them all, you got to play with it. Maybe some pages are not, you know, are not your cup of tea, or you're not really liking them. With digitals, you just print everything that you need. Okay, so you can print it all in once if you think to use them all, or you just print them as you go along. Okay, so I designed those 2 pages to basically go well with the kit that I just shown you. So on the first page, you get a very large scallop envelope. You just fold the 2 sides, this flip over, and then the scallop will be your cover top. And then those 2 are small rectangular envelopes. When you got the front tip, the 2 side, and a little one, the one that flip over, so you get 2 envelopes. And then the second page, you get 8 embellishment. They can be used as tabs if you want, so you can fold them together. You get little tabs, and then you get another envelope and another embellishment. So it's like a tag. Can you see it? Yeah, so it's like a tag, but you can create like hidden paper clips, or you can cut and have a little card. You can do what you want with it. So 2 freebies. Now, because normally every Friday I send the newsletter out, and this is why you get a freebie. Now, because it's 2 pages, the newsletter software will only allow me to upload 1 attachment, so I can only upload one page. So what I'm going to do, one of these will go into the newsletter, and one of the pages will be available on the website for you guys to download. So follow the link down below, and we'll take you straight to the website. And while you're there, guys, just check out my sales section. There are 10, I think there's like 10 digital kits that I put into sale, because they will be discontinued at the end of the month. I'm working through my new releases, which will be live on my website the 1st of June. And I'm basically getting rid of some old ones and we get new ones. So some got to go, so they are on sale now, and after the 1st of June they will be removed from the website. So if you don't buy them now, they won't be available to be purchased in the future. So while you're browsing, just have a look at that. Guys, before we go, just want to say a big thank you to everybody that subscribe to my VIP lounge this week. I done a video on Wednesday. Thank you so much. Big shout out goes to Carol, Cynthia, Mary and Jonathan. Yes, we got a guy. Thank you so much, Jonathan. Yeah, thank you so much, the 4 of you that joined the VIP this week. And also Melinda, Melinda, thank you. You just joined by the time I finished filming the video and I posted. So I saw your email that you joined the VIP. So I just have to say thank you to Melinda too, because I'm filming this video the day before. So I'm filming on Thursday. You see this video on Friday. And Melinda joined and I got an email notification, so I had to post the video once it's finished, but I wanted to make sure that your name speaks out on Friday as well. So thank you so much, Melinda, for joining the VIP lounge as well. What I want to say as well, a big thank you to Claire's Lady Lair, that's her email address, that sent me a coffee support. Honestly, guys, I'm overwhelmed by the amount of support that I received from you guys, and the freebies is a way for me to give something back to you guys for everything that you guys do for me. From, you know, liking, put a big thumbs up on the comment, watch the video, subscribe to the channel. Every little help helps. So thank you so much, guys. How do you get a freebie? Normally, don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter, and if you get the freebie sent to you every Friday, or will be you can go to my Facebook group and you see the history. So we got about 3 years worth of freebies. So while you download all the freebies in there. Okay, so thank you. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. In case you missed it, there is a lovely playlist here on my YouTube channel, and I will put the link somewhere here on the screen with all the Friday freebies all stored together. So in case you missed them, go back, check the videos, give you some ideas of what to do with them, and also will take straight to the Facebook group. On my group, you can download all the freebies that I shared in the last couple of years. If you like my Friday freebies, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video doing well. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next week, stay safe and well. Bye.